Okay, so on 10-1 OWP, we're going to work together and do the work together problem. Hold on, it's going to come up. Okay, so click on 10-1 work together. Let me make this a little bit bigger for my kids that are in person. Okay. So basically what this is doing is it wants us to say where these things go on the accounts receivable ledger. So it's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, right? So where would the balance go? The balance is going to go where H is, right? So I just click this and I'm going to choose the H. September 1 is the date, so it's going to go where C is. Venice Cafe is going to go where D is. A check mark. Oh, I'm sorry. So this is actually one that they want us to open it with the balance. So the balance is going to go on H. The zero blank. I don't think it would go anywhere. The check mark is going to go on E. September 1 is going to go C. Venice Cafe is not going to go there. It's going to have to go on the next one. Oh, Venice Cafe. I'm sorry. Venice Cafe is the name of the company, so it's going to go on A. E is the check mark. 6 is the debit balance, which is going to go on H. Oh, well, yeah, that's where it goes. Oh, the words balance are going to go on D. A zero blank is going to have to go with G, which is going to be the credit, and F. Account number 120 is going to go where B is. And then another blank is going to go on G. So basically, this is just setting up the balance, like setting up when we're using the thing in the beginning. So A is going to be the name of the customer. B is going to be the customer account number. C is the first day of the month. D, you would write balance. E would be a check mark. F and G would be 0. And then H would be the debit balance, which in this case is $390.34. And that's all I did there. And then this is just telling us that we are going to journalize these on page 9. It's a sales invoice source document, abbreviated S, and it's for classic appliances, and it's a 6% sales tax, and you're not supposed to put S in front of the sales number. Like no S is needed for so here, there's no S needed. So we're going to start here, and it's going to be September 2. We sold merchandise on account to Lenny Stanford for $1,600. So Lenny Stanford, sales number is 221. Our sales credit is $1,600, and then we have to figure out the sales tax. So it's $1,600 times 6%. So I'm going to pull up the calculator, see if I can move it over there. So it's $1,600 times 0.06, or you can do 6 and hit the percent sign. So that's $96. So $96 goes in sales tax, and then the total is $1,696.00. And then on the 6th, we sold merchandise to Washington City Schools. And it's invoice 222, and it's $680 sales. They are exempt from sales tax because they're a school, so that would just make that a 0. And then our accounts receivable debit is $680. They owe us $680. On the 7th, we sold it to Venice Cafe for sales invoice number 223, and that is for $25.60. So I'm going to pull up my calculator again. Here's the other way to do it: $25.60 times 6, and then hit the percent key, and then hit equal.